Everyone, good evening. How are you? I hope you're good. Today I teach you how to make a v60 cold. So you can see this one filter v60 and this one filter chemex. But I made make a v60 cold, so I use this one. I have a four flavor coffee bean. This Colombia, and this guide blind, and this Brazil, and this one FUV. But I like V60 cold, so Brazil, Colombia. This is taste is delicious. I like it. I hope you also like it. Okay, 20 gram coffee bean in Colombia. Okay, and blind. Okay, and okay, ziffer, and 150 gram ice. 150 and 20 gram coffee bean. Okay, ziffer, and water is 90. Okay, this hot.